The Fiat 500, the pint-sized darling of Italy. Good day, car enthusiasts. Today, we're squeezing ourselves into a car so small, you might mistake it for a toy, the Fiat 500. Yes, the Fiat 500. The car that's as quintessentially Italian as a plate of spaghetti, and just as likely to cause a mess in the wrong hands. To start with, let's talk about the design. The Fiat 500 looks like it was designed by someone who spent a bit too long in Willy Wonka's chocolate factory. It's got curves in places you didn't think cars could have curves, and those headlights? They look like the eyes of a surprised puppy. But don't let its adorably cheeky face fool you. This car has the personality of a caffeinated Italian grandmother. Under the hood, or should I say under the bonnet roughly the size of a shoebox, you'll find a range of engines that could be described as ambitious. The base model has a 1.2-liter four-cylinder engine, which offers the kind of power you'd expect if you replaced your morning espresso with decaf. But then there's the Abarth version, a turbocharged 1.4-liter engine churning out up to 180 horsepower. That's right, 180 horsepower in something that looks like it should come with a free toy inside. It's like discovering your sweet-natured aunt Moonlights as a bouncer. Handling in the Fiat 500 is like driving a roller skate on a sugar high. It's zippy, nimble, and turns corners so sharply you'll swear it's part ninja. It excels in city driving, where its small size lets you slip through traffic like a hot knife through butter. Just try not to take it on the motorway unless you enjoy the sensation of being plastered onto a truck's radiator grille. Step inside, and the Fiat 500 continues to surprise. It's like someone dumped a bag of Skittles and Italian fashion into the design process. The dashboard is a delightful mix of retro aesthetics and modern technology. There's a funky infotainment system, toggle switches that look like they belong on a vintage fighter jet, and seats that might just make you want to take a Sunday drive every day. But fair warning, the back seats have the legroom of a sardine can, so keep your friends close, but not too close. Practicality isn't where the Fiat 500 shines. The boot is small enough to make you question your life choices when attempting grocery shopping. But then again, this car isn't about utility. It's about fun, flair, and fitting into parking spaces that other cars can only dream of. And let's not forget the sound. The Fiat 500, especially in its Abarth guise, produces a delightful growl that's half angry kitten, half caffeinated wasp. Even. It's a noise that says look at me, without taking itself too seriously. So, if you're looking for a car that combines charm, quirkiness, and an undeniable sense of fun, the Fiat 500 is for you. It's a tiny titan that stands out in a world of boring, oversized SUVs. It's like owning a piece of Italian sunshine, distilled into four wheels and a horn that sounds like it's saying, "Ciao, Bella." If this tiny titan made you laugh, hit that like button, leave a witty comment, and subscribe for more irreverent motoring antics. Don't forget to smash that bell icon so you never miss an update.